In this module, you will learn about Subject Verb Agreement. Before we learn about Subject Verb Agreement, let's look at the verbs and nouns again. A verb is an action word. A noun is the name of a thing or person. Here, you will learn about Subject Verb Agreement. The subject in a sentence could be a noun or pronoun, and the verb is the action word. Let's take the sentence, Jasmine dances, as an example. Here the noun is Jasmine and the verb dances is the action. Jasmine is also called a subject noun because Jasmine does the action. The verb dance has a S because of one subject noun, Jasmine. Subject and verb must agree with one another in number. Let's see how the number of people doing the action can change the word which describes the action. The basic rule states that a singular subject takes a singular verb, while a plural subject takes a plural verb. Example, Sheila sings. Here, Sheila is a singular noun. Therefore, singular form of the verb sings is used. Girls sing. Here, girls is plural noun. Therefore, plural form of the verb sing is used. You must add an S or ES at the end of the verb when the subject is singular. For example, bird sits in a tree. She touches the wall. And you don't need to add an S or ES at the end of the verb when the subject is plural. For example, birds sit in a tree. They touch the wall. Let's take some more examples. One friend eats. Many friends eat. One friend watches a movie. Many friends watch a movie. One friend laughs. Many friends laugh. Let's summarize. All sentences have at least one subject noun and verb. The subject noun of the sentence does the action. The subject of the sentence must agree or match the verb in numbers. This module, you have learnt about Subject Verb Agreement.